Okay, so back to our slide. So basically, I will covering on the production phase. So at the production phase, basically this is the so-called flow lah. Okay, so once we have developed our field and facilities, then we will produce the hydrocarbon. Okay, so we will produce hydrocarbon and then we'll go to the so-called the processing facilities. Okay, after that, we will go into the storage ataupun transportation. Okay, in this case, our transportation is pipeline, and also we also have transportation through export tanker lah. Okay, and then this is the terminal where we further refine the oil so that the hydrocarbon can be used as a product. For example, the product is the gasoline lah ataupun petrol yang kita guna for our car ataupun vehicle kan. So this is basically the flow of how our the hydrocarbon being processed and how we as a consumer yang paling utama lah yang selalu kita guna adalah minyak kereta kan. So this is how the process look like. So when we are talking about production facilities at offshore, so we have a whole range of different structure that is being used at offshore. So how the facility being designed, it depends on the size of the process, water depth of the location, and also the evacuation strategy. Okay, the first one is the shallow water complex lah. Kalau you guys can see, it consists of different independent platform, and then usually memang akan ada lah the processing platform in the middle, where it will take feed from other facility like wellhead platform and also like structure. Okay, so this shallow water complex usually being used for facility ataupun platform that have the water depth up to 100 meter. So this one we call it shallow water lah. So usually this type of platform we have all the facilities like riser, processing, accommodation, also power generation. So this is what typically we have at our Malaysia Water lah kan. Okay, so the next type of production facility is tension leg platform or semi-submersible production platform. So in a way dia lebih kurangnya macam ni, cumanya this is to cater for platform that have water depth up to 2000 meter. Okay, so instead of kita pacakkan jacket ataupun platform tu dekat seabed, dekat laut, cumanya yang ni kita akan ada so-called ni lah dia panggil tension leg ni lah. For this one, it will be supporting by water ballast in order to pacak ataupun hold the structure at the location. Okay, so for example, kalau yang ni platform yang kita ada dekat Malaysia ni is bermusuh kakap lah. So this bermusuh kakap that have the deep, is one of the example of deep water platform at Malaysia. Okay, and then another type of production facility is subsea. So this is subsea. So the subsea ni it will be located on the sea floor. Then it depends lah. Selalunya the production facility dia akan hantar hydrocarbon into any of the production facility yang terdekat lah. Dan ada juga yang dia punya processing pun ada dekat subsea tu. So dekat Malaysia ni tak banyak ada. Kalau pernah dengar about Kanawik field at Kumang, Kanawik at Kumang platform, this is one of the example of our subsea ni lah, subsea system lah. Okay, then another type of production facility is FPSO, floating production storage and offloading. So for FPSO ni usually for those platform that we don't have pipeline to export, so we will put the FPSO at location. So FPSO ni basically is a tanker that we will have plant lah atas the tank tu. After it process the hydrocarbon and then it will be stored at the FPSO. So how they evacuate the hydrocarbon ataupun oil inside the FPSO tu, it will be through transfer via crude tanker, which later I will explain more lah. So kita ada FPSO and then we also have FSO. So apa beza FSO dengan FPSO is FSO we don't have the processing facility. It's just the tanker ataupun the FSO is being used as a storage, not for processing. So hopefully you guys understand what is the difference between FPSO and also FSO lah.